Hello children, welcome to your 6th standard chemistry class. In the previous class, we have completed the book exercises for chapter 5, separation of substances. In this session, we are going to write some more question answer for the same chapter. Write the question and answer in your chemistry note children. First one, the technique that separates a liquid from an insoluble solid by carefully pouring off the liquid is called dash. The technique that separates a liquid from an insoluble solid by carefully pouring off the liquid is called evaporation, decantation, filtration, distillation. What's the answer, children? The answer is B, decantation. Then second one, the separation technique used to separate a solid mixture is the separation technique used to separate a solid mixture is decantation, evaporation, filtration, hand picking. The answer is hand picking. Answer D. The process of separating the constituents of a liquid by agitating it vigorously. The process of separating the constituents of a liquid by agitating it vigorously is options: evaporation, churning, filtration, sedimentation. Answer is B, churning. The next question, the method that is used to obtain pure salt from impure salt. The method that is used to obtain pure salt from impure salt is decantation, crystallization, evaporation, condensation. The answer is crystallization. Crystallization method is used to get the pure crystals of salt. Yes, the answer is B. Next question. A solution which cannot dissolve more of a given substance at a given temperature is a solution which cannot dissolve more of a given substance at a given temperature is a solution, filtrate, saturated solution, unsaturated solution. Answer is saturated solution. Saturated solution. Next question. Impurities settled at the bottom when muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket. The clear water was then poured off from the top. The process of separation used in this example is called a decantation, filtration, sedimentation followed by decantation, evaporation. The answer is C, sedimentation followed by decantation. Next question. The method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalks is called decantation, winnowing, threshing, sedimentation. The answer is threshing. Threshing is a separation method which is used to separate seeds of paddy from its stalks. The next question. When milk cooled after boiling is poured onto a piece of a cloth, the cream is left behind on it. The process of separating cream from milk is an example of A, hand picking, B, filtration, C, churning, D, sedimentation. Answer B, filtration. Next question. Salt is obtained from seawater by drying it in the sun. The process is known as A, filtration, B, evaporation, C, sedimentation, then D, condensation. The answer is B, evaporation. The next question. Methods used to separate a mixture of salt and sand is by treating the mixture with water and then A, filtration followed by evaporation, sedimentation followed by evaporation, filtration followed by condensation, and none of the above. The answer is filtration followed by evaporation. Next question. Suppose you are making some tea and have boiled water and added tea leaves to the water. Then you realize that you cannot find the strainer. You look for a clean piece of cloth, but you don't find one. What method would you like to apply for a cup of tea without leaves? Options: A. Sieving, B. Evaporation, C. Decantation, D. Filtration. What's the answer, children? Answer C. Decantation.